Joel Fest. But here is
this thing right here.
the thing you put the bit. The way you move that is by this level right here. So the way you put that is by shoving this thing in and tightening it.
There you go.
I can't see what you do.
This is the base. How do you do it? Go up and down by this level right here. I'm not going to do that again because that was hell the first time. And the way that it goes, something is. This is so boring.
This thing right here.
Mel. Why don't you want to try?
You guys recorded yet?
Yeah, we're recording right now.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Then you randomly type in that. Doing that.
Nothing.
Back. Yeah. Then the on and off switch is right here. I'm probably going to go here. So then you turn it on. Slowly, I guess, turn it down.
I think you might need to tighten that a little bit.
Yeah, I think.
No. That's dangerous.
That's dangerous. Stop. Turn it off. Let's tighten this. Yeah.
Try the other holes if it's too hard to do.
That's so bad.
There's 3 holes.
What you don't want to do is to get it out and loosen it.
This is how you use a ladder.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to be getting it. And that's it.
I got my video for now.
You should be quiet.
This
right
is
now.
a joiner, and what a joiner has is a dust port, a built-in riveted lens, and a fence insert on the side, and it also has a spring-loaded blade guard. And what a joiner does, it makes the wood smooth. So how you do it is you put the wood between the barrier and the blade guard, and you just move it, and then once you're done, you can feel it. And the front hand wheels are on the side, and the bottom part is the cooled motor. And where you're placing the board is on the long bed. And you can also shift the barrier, you can make it slanted, and you can move the blade guard to whatever angle you want. And basically this is just for making the wood smooth. And the joiner that we're doing is a 6" because Mr. Lasher said not to do any other besides 6" because all we have is a 6", and the reason why I'm doing a voiceover is because we don't have parts with the joiner. So the 2 things for the joiner, there are 2 objects. They're push sticks, and therefore pushing the wood between the barrier and the blade guard so you don't mess up your fingertips.
stop like 5 minutes while we record. Crushed bottle.
Why are you doing it?
What do you think about it? Beautiful.
Why'd you do it?
Cause why not to hell? Some big idiot. No.
I'm gonna go eat.
Who cares? Right there.
We got you too. Look at that clean.
Look how